with the fazl of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, without any exaggeration, Allah Ta'ala must protect us from pride and from show, because then you have washed away the sawab of all the deeds. But without exaggeration, only due to the fazl of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, England, America, South Africa, Pakistan and many other parts of the world, wherever this wa'az has reached or where this book has reached on Tafweez, I have received emails, faxes, telephone calls, even from one psychologist or psychiatrist. His own family, there was somebody that was suffering from severe depression. And Alhamdulillah, when this book reached him, he gave it to that family member of his. And that family member then phoned, and also this psychiatrist phoned to say that Alhamdulillah, after reading the book Tafweez, the depression was gone and the person received cure. In fact, he wanted to know whether I had done psychiatry and whether I'm a psychologist also. I said, well, I can't even pronounce that word properly and I can't spell it properly too. So I don't know how could I have done the subject when I can't even spell that word psychologist and psychiatrist and all properly. So there is the fazl of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. And the reason for that is that there is nothing in this wa'az except an encouragement that we should resign our will to the will of Allah Ta'ala. That we should not make the decisions for Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala is the one who will make the decision. We must do what is to be done as human beings, as Muslims, as believers. We must fulfill our part of the contract, and Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will then decide. If Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala wishes to put success, then in some venture that will outwardly appear to be a failure kind of venture, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will put success. And if Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala wants to make it a failure, then all our research and all our endeavors and all our efforts will go by the wayside.